Welcome to our roundup of the best clothes dryers for home use this year. Whether you're a large family with a mountain of laundry or you live in a small apartment and need a compact solution, we've handpicked the top clothes dryers that deliver efficient drying, smart features, and reliability, all designed to make your laundry routine easier. We'll break down each product's key features like capacity, drying cycles, and energy efficiency, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate clothes dryer for you. Starting at number 5 is the Kenmore 268-2273 front-load electric dryer. Kenmore is a classic name in home appliances, known for its durable and high-capacity machines that cater to the needs of large households. It's ideal for families with a heavy laundry load and a dedicated laundry room. It features an extra-large 8.0 cubic feet capacity and a smart sensor drying system, which automatically detects moisture levels to prevent overdrying. Its design ensures clothes have ample space to tumble, reducing wrinkles and speeding up the drying process. This product is praised for its massive capacity and advanced drying sensors, which save energy and protect clothing. However, some drawbacks include its large size, which may not fit in compact living arrangements, and a higher price point than basic models. Overall, it's great for large families who do frequent, large loads of laundry. Next up is the Uhimi 1400-watt compact dryer, perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Uhimi is a brand that specializes in compact, space-saving appliances, and this dryer lives up to that reputation. It includes 1400 W of drying power and a 2.65 cubic feet capacity, delivering a powerful yet compact drying solution. Additional perks include its 4 versatile drying modes: strong, intelligent, ECO, and normal, and a user-friendly LCD control panel. Users love the convenience and portability of this dryer, though its smaller capacity may be a consideration for those with larger loads. Ideal for individuals or couples who want a quick and easy way to dry clothes without a full-sized appliance. Coming in at number 3 is the Beyond AI Portable Tumble Dryer, a brand known for innovation and energy efficiency. It's a great solution for small spaces and those looking to save on electricity. It features real-time AI monitoring that adjusts drum speed and direction based on feedback from a moisture sensor. This smart technology ensures optimal drying while using only 760 watts of power. Smart or additional features include 8 unique drying cycles, including a deodorizing mode. The product excels with its extremely low energy consumption and quiet operation, but some users may notice its small 6-pound capacity, which is not suitable for large or heavy items like blankets. Overall, it's ideal for eco-conscious users and students who need a highly efficient dryer for small loads. At number 2, we have the Black Plus Decker BCD37 Compact Dryer, designed for versatile use in smaller spaces. Known for its reliable power tools and home goods, this dryer brings that same dependability to the laundry room. It combines a 3.5 cubic feet capacity with multiple drying modes like high, cool, warm, and anti-wrinkle, providing a practical and functional solution. Its 120V plug and compact size add convenience for placement in apartments or RVs. Users appreciate its decent capacity for a compact model and its reliable performance, but drawbacks include longer drying times compared to a 240V traditional dryer. Best suited for renters and apartment dwellers who need a powerful enough dryer that fits their space. Finally, at number 1 is the Uhimi 1.8 cubic feet portable clothes dryer, a premium model that offers a fantastic balance of portability and performance. Covering a compact but efficient 1.8 cubic feet capacity, it's perfect for individuals and small families who want a quick and powerful drying solution. It includes a durable stainless steel drum, a 1020W heating element for fast drying, and 7 different drying modes, including an eco mode for energy savings. Its powerful capabilities make it ideal for rapidly drying a small load in under an hour. This product shines with its fast drying time and versatile drying modes, though the small size may affect those who need to dry bulky items. If you want the ultimate space-saving and efficient dryer for daily use, this is the top choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best clothes dryers for home use in this year. From the high-capacity Kenmore to the compact Black Plus Decker, the energy-efficient Beyond AI, and the versatile Uhimi models, there's a dryer for every user and situation. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect clothes dryer for your needs today. Thanks for watching.